welcome back to my kitchen. We finally have another recipe video. I know the last recipe video I made was like 3 months ago or longer than that. But today we are going to make vegan scallops, and we have a secret ingredient. You get the scallop taste, but without the cost. So today's secret ingredient is king oyster mushrooms. This was only like, I think $4 for this, or either, it was $2 to $4, I can't remember. So somewhere in between that, but definitely very cost effective compared to buying actual scallops. Even if you're not a vegan and you just don't like the fishy taste of scallops, buy some king oyster mushrooms and I'll show y'all how to cook it.
All right, everyone, get your cooking utensils ready because this is what we're going to be cooking today. The first step is, of course, you want to wash your mushrooms. Make sure you wash them extremely thoroughly. I've already rinsed it out a good bit. And then next, you're going to chop off the bottom piece and just throw that away. And then cut the mushrooms so you form little circles. And then I just keep the top little mushroom cap to a side and I'll cook that separately later. So cut off the cap and then cut the base off. And then just chop that little middle section into circles. Next, you're going to cut little slits on the mushroom, so going up and down and side to side. You're not going to slice it deep enough that it'll cut through the entire mushroom, but you're just going to glaze the top of it. I'm pretty sure this is what gives the mushroom the scallop texture, because it's kind of like breaks apart and it tastes kind of stringy in your mouth. So this is definitely an important step. Do not skip this. Then after you're done, this is how all of them should look, so on the front and the back. Now for the exciting part, go ahead and grab a pan and let's get cooking. This is the butter I'm using to fry it. You can use whatever butter you'd like, and then just go ahead and drop a glob on the pan. I think this is about 1 tablespoon. Next, you're going to add some garlic. This is also about 1 tablespoon of garlic. And then you're going to cook the garlic for a little bit until it browns. You don't want to burn it though, so make sure your heat isn't super high. And then you're gonna go ahead and drop all those little vegan scallops into the pan. Now for the seasoning, I'm using seasoned salt and some cumin. I'm using about 1/4 teaspoon of each. You can kind of just eyeball it and decide how much you want to use. But the seasoned salt is very salty, so make sure not to overdo it. And then you're going to give that a nice little toss to make sure all the spices are mixed in together. If the pan is a little dry, you can add a little bit more butter just to make sure the scallops don't stick to the pan. Mushrooms, scallops, same thing. And then just go ahead and cook that and make sure that both sides are browned pretty nicely. This took about, I want to say 10 minutes. I cooked it on medium heat the entire time. And then that is it. You can go ahead and take it off and just plate it. Please try these out and let me know what y'all think. They're so good.
These browned really, really nicely. I'm so excited. What I love about these vegan scallops is that they actually have the texture of a scallop, and it's so crazy. Like, I didn't believe this was even possible until I cooked it for the first time, and y'all, they are delicious. Let's have this big one. It's hot. Look at it. It's so good. If y'all want to cook scallops, but you don't want to pay so much money for a scallop, or if you just don't like the fishy taste, definitely try this recipe. But I hope y'all liked this video, and don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like, and I'll see you on my next one.